All right. How's it going tonight, everyone? Welcome. It is storming here pretty good. So we'll see how long the stream lasts. But anyways, sorry I missed the stream yesterday. It was my birthday, and my body decided it was going to sleep for 12 hours, which ruined all my plans yesterday. So instead, I just sat on the couch and played video games. Because, yeah. Anyways, I did manage to get Pidgin's IRCV3 plugin to use, wired it up with Sassel from Ibis, so that's what this pull request is for. Doesn't this depend on one? No, it doesn't. Yeah, so with this patch, you can connect and authenticate to IRCV3 with Pidgin v3 using Ibis and Hassel and all the other fun stuff we've built recently. But yeah, so we're gonna get this guy merged. We got a bunch of other stuff we gotta get done to make stuff better, but right now I guess we're just gonna give Big Boy attention because that's what he wants. Yep, hi, yep, that's my chin. So I hope you're all doing well. I missed her. Ooh. Oh, are you after treats? Do you want treats? Is that your goal? Are you trying to get treats or are you trying to get lubbies? I don't know. Maybe it's both. Maybe it's both. Yeah, I'm just getting the eye goops, you know. Yeah, I know the right way to get it now. Oh, that one's real bad. Yeah, that one's got hurt, huh? Oh, didn't even get it all. Alright, look at me. Can I see? I'm not gonna try to grab it. I just want to see. I don't even know what I'm getting there. Yeah, you're okay. Oh, is this what you want? This, yes. Yes, this. How's it going, Nino? Welcome. Is this what you want? Mr. Big wants the treats. They're green, can you tell? The bag is green. Oh, wait, it'll be better this way. There you go. You're such a dork. Come here. Like, you won't eat the treats up here. You want them down here. Like, alright, whatever. Alright, so, yeah, so yesterday I shared a screenshot of, I'm not going to show my whole, well, actually I can show it right now, it doesn't matter. So, my Pidgin 3, right now, this is my local build, looks like this. So, there's some issues. Yeah. But yeah, so, it hasn't crashed. It's been running about 24 hours and it hasn't crashed yet, so that's good. But there's a bunch of other BS we have to work through and deal with, which are going to be fun. We're not necessarily going to get through all of them tonight, but we'll see what we get to. Where did that? Oh. Yeah. I need to figure out why switching items is so slow too, but that's another story. Alright, so anyways, we're going to merge 3222. Clean, HE up, default, HE pull minus U. Ooh, CD build, RBT land, minus R3222, right? Oh yeah, so as it's storming here, like, I don't have the central air, whatever, intake thing cleaned or anything, so I can't really turn it on yet. And, it's like 60 to 70% humidity in here. It's fucking brutal. It's, yep. We swimming. But one of the things I'm realizing too is we need to figure out commands sooner rather than later so that IRC is actually like useful. How? What? Oh, I know the problem. I'm like, this passed. What the fuck? Forgot that guy. Yeah, come on. Fuck off. I ran updates recently too, so that's why K-Wallet's failing. Let me see, configure. It says clear cache. Ninja Turtles. Now to go find K-Wallet. Or the new K-Wallet. Yep. Cure. Clean up some brancherinos. Already marked that finished. Good. All right. So we want to prune. Give yourself a treat too. A bit delayed. Some Pepsi and Snickers. Nice. This is Ibis 01. Yeah. Okay. Then in Ibis, this doesn't depend on anything, right? Got me a fish trophy on my birthday. Yeah. Graded. Oh, maybe not on my birthday. It must have been after midnight. 6 hours ago. Oh, updated 6 hours ago. Like, what the fuck? It's not gonna tell me real, full creation time. That's fine. Alright, it was clean. Default. Sorry for the yawns. Not sure why I'm so tired. RBT, Lamb, Mazar, 3223. Boom. Wash my face with some cold water. I could just go outside where it's fucking raining. I'll wake up sooner or later here. I just had 2 cans of soda too, so caffeine should be kicking in soon, I'd hope. Who's talking to me on Slack? I'll have to go check Windows in a second. The rain's primarily been coming from the north, which is that way. But it's really noisy to the east right now. Okie doke. Close that. Come back to here. And I believe I updated these. Yes, I did. Okay. So the question is, what else do we want to work on here at the moment? There's something a little bit more intriguing we could work on that doesn't necessarily need commands and stuff. Um, well, so there's a number of other stuff we should be doing in Pidgin 3. Let's start there, and then we'll decide if we want to detour. Fuck. I'll go get a sugar cooker or something here. Alright, so, actually, we should do it this way. So I wrote a stupid plugin that automatically joins channels for me. The titles and stuff don't come up here because we need the title for display. Actually, we should, hold on, we should fix that pull request real quick here too. Okay, so this is still a problem. Oh no, we seg faulted. Yeah, so right now disconnecting on RCV3 seg faults. I don't know why. We have to figure it out. Like not surprised. You know, bugs happen. So we want to issue a Pidgin title for display. We're gonna do this real quick because I think there's one more thing we want to update to this. So I didn't think of it at the time. At the time. So we're gonna make sure it's still broken, then we're gonna fix it and update the pull request. Yeah. Fucking docs take so damn long. Yeah. The title is not in the info pane, so we have to fix that too. Display window.c. That's in Pidgin conversation. Not prefs, damn it. Title. So title from the purple conversation should be title for display. That should be all we have to do. You should be sleeping, but it's not happening. Yeah. Yeah, I probably maybe have a call at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, but it has been canceled the last 3 times. And hey, look, now we have a topic or title. One of my coworkers realized he has a doctor's appointment at 8:15 in the morning, so he's like, "Can we reschedule?" And I'm like, "Thank you." And they're like, "Oh wait, the guy who's running is in Italy, and he won't see it until whatever, so I still have to get up early." Ugh. 3216. Where's my phone bleeping? Email, I guess. Alright, 3216. What? What branch was I on? What the fuck? Yeah, why is this look so wrong? Yeah, that's really all it should be. What the hell is all this other shit? No, yeah, wait. Where's the alias and stuff? Oh, what the fuck? No, that's fine. That's, oh, okay, hold on. Okay, I see what I did. God damn it. My source, my destination, conversation alias, keep branches. I amended an orphaned commit. So things got a little funky. Like the code was still technically the same, but yeah. Not Pidgin 2, Pidgin 3. Oh, yep. Okay, good. Alright. 3216 was it? 3216. Oh. Yeah, so I did end up renaming. I think I only mentioned this on Discord, but it was like, oh, instead of name for display for conversation, should probably be title for display. That's what we ended up doing. Why is this shit still deleted? Okay, I think this is right. This is all this really should be. Oh, you idiot. I'm on the... $32.24 is the one I'm supposed to be on. That's why everything looks all crazy and it's deleting alias and stuff, because that stuff's all in lib purple. This isn't Pidgin. Yeah, there we go. Update the title in the info pane as well. Okay. Jesus Christ. Alright, it's 3216. The diff should be fine. Yeah, okay. There we go. Much better. Let's not make stupid mistakes like that again. Luckily, we never actually submitted anything, so it's not a big deal, but... yeah. Yeah. So, I guess we try to track down that crash, because that crash is going to be annoying. Alright, it is clean up. Now we can get closed, move this over here, move this back over here. There we go, okay. Yep. Oh yeah, so anyways, I was saying, I wrote a plugin that watches the account manager, or that has the account manager tell it when an account connects, and then based on the username for the account, it joins a bunch of channels for me. So until we have persistence in the conversation manager, because the idea for the conversation manager is that whatever conversations you have left open when you close the program, we're gonna reopen them when you come back. Novel idea, I know. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna deal with people that that want to stay in conversations but don't want to see them. I'm thinking we might add a group to like hide them or something, but like I don't know. I've never understood that paradigm, anyways. But whatever. Well, I just check in it every 5 days. Okay. Like, then why do you want the history? Just join. I don't know. People are weird. But yeah, so anyways, that's why we're joining channels here. So, we can't see what they are because the titles and shit are all fucked up. That's okay. But what we need to do is, if we just go here and we say this guy disable, well, we say faulted. And I haven't quite figured out why yet. So V3 connection 356. Yeah, like this doesn't make sense why this should happen here. Why do we do... Let's get rid of this. Typically this is done like this way. I guess I was trying to avoid this big ass wrap here or something, but no, I mean either way that shouldn't make sense. I spelled the warning wrong. Lovely. Warning. Oh. It's like, what is this still warning me about? Forgot to pass the parameter. And now the warning's gone. We definitely have a parent class. So why, like, what the fuck's egg faulted here, right? I think we changed something in here and didn't realize it. Yeah, we don't implement anything here anymore. We used to. That's been gone for a while. Okay. So we don't have to chain up. Well... we need to figure out where that gets called. Yeah, okay. Don't chain up is basically what happens here. Hey, we didn't die. Yay. We should... Oh, these are supposed to, like, be set to be not online or something. Okay. Yep, that should fix that part. Yay. But air is not used anymore. Oh, yeah, okay, so... We don't have a quit message here, but that's okay. So, Ibis, client, disconnect. Try client, no. Oh yeah, we're still not using air. Yeah, it's okay. And then we seg faulted again. Yay! I think we have a bit of a chicken and the egg here. Or, yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be an error and then a message, and then it takes care of shit from there. We probably don't want this here. I'm betting that's where the seg fault's from. Nope. Where are we seg faulting from? Oh, that's super. We have to cancel a cancelable. I think that's the part we need. Did we not put a cancelable on this thing? Oh, we got rid of it. Oh, the account has a cancelable. That's right. Where do we put it on the connection? I don't remember where the fuck we put this. It's on the connection, okay. I don't know that we're using this. Hold on. Oh, the rain is coming in this window. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry. Outside cats are being dumb jerks to each other. We'll do it this way. But I don't think this is the one. I don't think we gave one to Ibis. Is a problem. I was like, what do you mean too many or not? I say too many or not, or too few. I read it's too many. I was like, what? Can callable. Alright, I don't think that's the cancelable that it has. Did we not give it a cancelable? It has its own cancelable. Can we set the cancelable? Yeah, well, that's dumb. Okay. We have to fix that in Ibis. Oh, how do I want to handle this exactly? During Connect, we create a new cancelable. We should probably... Yep. Yeah. And then clear object is still good. Okay. That shouldn't break anything in the tests, but yeah. Oh, yeah, we need the header file. Oh, this should probably go and start as well. Although start doesn't need it as much. It's like we put everything else to start. And we should probably put cancelable there too. basically means that goes away, and then G set object client cancelable. Right, because then we should use that around here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. It was Cly. Let's pass it. Well, we don't want to pass it in as null because we need a way to kill it. Oh, we should probably do that a little bit smarter, anyways. Like, if you don't give us a cancelable, we create one for ourselves. Let me look at cancelable here real quick. It was a cancelable to canceled, and will emit the cancelable cancel signal. However, see the warning about race conditions and the documentation for that signal to connect to it. This function is thread safe. You can blah blah blah. If cancelable is null, this function returns immediately for convenience. Cool. The convention within GIO is that canceling an asynchronous operation causes it to complete asynchronously. That is, if you cancel the operation from the same thread in which it's running, then the operation's GAsync ready callback will not be invoked until the application returns the mail. Alright, that's probably fine. But we should probably be handling the error better in the read callback, but we'll see. But yeah, so I think what we want to do actually, so for here, we're just going to pass null, and that's okay. But internally, I think we always want to have a cancelable. Right. So if not, or if G is cancelable, then we do this. Otherwise, G set object client cancelable, comma G cancelable. That's not gonna work. Fuck. We can either do this, and then oh, that seems crappy. That's okay for now. The problem is this isn't going to take ownership of it. This is going to add a new reference if we put it here. So we're taking ownership by doing this here. And then this way we always have a cancelable. So on disconnect we can call cancel, and then we'll be happy. G cancel, cancel. Oh, we didn't put it in there. Oh, yeah, we did. Oh, that's the problem. Did I not put it in right? Oh, so this is just going to be client cancelable? So connect. Fuck, this is dumb. What does start do? Start needs to take the cancelable as well. Oh, this is dumb. Dumb, 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 dumb. Alright, I think the smartest... Well, no, we have to recycle the cancelable. That's a fucking problem. Oh, I'm being dumb. I'm being real dumb. Hold on. So in the connect callback... Alright, can we use it? Can I get the cancel from the async result? I don't think I can. Like, I technically can, but I shouldn't. But I can because I know it's a G task, but it's supposed to be opaque to me. Like, this doesn't feel good, but it'll work. No, let's do this a little better. I don't like hanging this around on the object. All right. So if we have a cancelable, we set it on the client here. And I mean, I guess we're passing null here. Or it's that's fine. Alright, so we pass in client cancelable. We pass that into the other side, and then we want to look at start. Yeah, I guess we'll do it this way. We're going to say gset object that. If client, or if not G is cancelable, client cancelable, Then client cancelable equals G cancelable. Okay, that's a lot easier to follow. So the client says just use whatever you want. And then the client, we don't need this one anymore. 246, 247. The connect callback, call start with whatever is set on the client. Connect takes cancelable, and we set it instead of just creating a new one. And then in disconnect, we cancel the cancelable. Start now also takes a cancelable, and because you can call start directly. So we're gonna try to use whatever the hell you gave us. And then if we don't have anything after that, we just create a default one. Okay, I think that makes sense. Stupid yawns need to go away. Okay, so that all works fine. Oh, we have to fix that too, okay. Now would probably be a good time to do that too. In disconnect. Where is it? There equals null and client connected. We're not going to try to write unless we're, if we're not still connected. We freeze on that. We set the error when we start closing our streams. We set our connected to false. We cancel our cancelable, and then we thaw our notify. Okay. Cool. Did we actually get a quit message though? I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's supposed to say I'm out of here. Okay, so do we see I'm out of here? We did. I think error coming back is expected. Or, no, wait, what? Oh. I sent this. The server sent back an error? What? I don't know why the server sent this back. Maybe that's just acknowledging it, and it's like, yeah, go ahead and disconnect. But whatever, we don't care, we're gone. Alright. I don't see the quit message though, but okay. Oh, that's dev end, not the other one. Yeah, the other one would have to join the channel. That's fine. Ugh. This is an API change, so technically this is Sin02 now, but oh, yep. Expose cancelable. Allow callers to set our cancelable and default to 1 or use our own if 1 wasn't set. Also fix an issue where disconnect wouldn't run if already disconnected. It can be called can be called after we're actually disconnected to do any cleanup. Sure. All right. There's a boatload of warnings I have to about the timestamp thing in Pidgin 3. We keep getting IBIS tags. Look up assertion IBIS tags failed. We should see that in wherever we have a room. 3226. And the IBIS supply and the turtles. We didn't actually run the turtles yet. That's not it. Okay, 17. Views. Okie doke. Alright, let's look at that problem over here. Look at the topic update. So, we're not seeing any of them yet. I think it's only on new messages. Nope. Trying to get it from the running instance is going to be hard. So I was like, we'll just do this over here. Yeah. But no. Why would it be that easy? Did we just... So I think what's happening is... Oh no, we just have time on there. But we accept the time. What do we have over here that we're missing? This is... It's probably all of them. Okay, apparently Libera doesn't do server time. Let's check that. And let's make sure I don't dox myself in the process. Oh, I would have doxed myself. Although well, it's using my IPv6, so not like anybody's gonna be able to attack me. Alright, so... Alright, so this is what I got when I connected via Telnet. So to capitalize 302, we did not get... Oh no, we did get server time. Why the fuck don't we have server time on our messages then? Apparently we didn't negotiate server time? Alright, well anyways. Ugh. Is this all the stuff we have for tags? I think so. If Ibis is tags. That should do it. Oh, well, let's cancel this shit. Needs to be able to cleaned up in other ways. Oh. Only, check tags if we have a tags object. That sounds like, you know, something we should have gotten right the first time, but it's okay. Right? Like it happens. Not the end of the world. Testing done. Compile? Did I even compile? I suppose we're gonna run the turtles, but it shouldn't matter. Oh my god, it's so warm in this house. Oh, that shit's failing because I'm in the Devon. Alright. Golden turtles. Yep. There's nothing else after this, right? After this, it was just creating the object or some bullshit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can't do anything with this until the other side's done. So revert minus E. Okay. That takes care of all the immediate big stuff I'm aware of. Minus like, oh crap, we have to build this feature to do this thing, right? We could try to do that too. So I'm deciding what to do for the services when you connect and stuff like that. So like we got iridium.library.chat was looking at my host name, and like we don't want that to go to a separate window. But I guess we don't. How the fuck are we supposed to figure that out? Because we can't just use the domain name, because the domain name that we're connected to is irc.library.chat. So I can't just do a prefix on that. Well, that's fucking dumb. I'm not sure how people solve that right now. I have a suspicion of it that they just look if there's a dot in the name, but I'm pretty sure you can put a dot in your name. But yeah. I'm not positive. Oh, hold on. Nope. Yeah, Libera's not set in a server time. I'm gonna have to sniff that or something, or output it that we're connecting to it and check it, but yeah. Or actually, it might just be up here. irc.v3.net. Networks. Libera chat. Well, they don't do batch? Really? Okay. Oh, they don't. Yeah, see, Libera doesn't do server time. Yay! Oh, they don't do standard replies either. Motherfucker. They're working on a new IRC daemon. I forget the name of it. They're currently Solum or Solon Gnome, I think. I don't remember what the new one is. Wait, what the fuck are you calling? What are you calling 3.1 and 3.2? Huh. I don't know. It's a mystery. All right. Well, either way, that's one thing. So okay. Yeah, oh, what we got here? That's me. All right. We gotta take a quick break. I gotta go pee. But then we're gonna get to something more fun in a second. What am I coding? We are working on Pidgin Instant Messenger. I'll get you a link if you are not familiar with it. We are currently working on the IRC v3 implementation for Pidgin 3. But that's the deal. Ibis is our new IRC v3 client, their client library. But yeah, anyways, I'll be right back. Like I said, I gotta pee. Right back. Alright, sorry about that. Also, I don't know if it's the rain or if I'm sitting weird, but holy shit, does my leg hurt. Oh, fuck. Where'd that go? There it is. Ibuprofen for the win. Okay. Alright. So we're kind of stuck for the moment. Waiting on pull request stuff. We could do more, but we can also work on something a bit more interesting in the meantime. You coming up? No? Okay. You sure? There he is. Hi. Maybe we'll have a cat distraction for a bit instead. Yes, we got the cat distraction. Hello. Hello, Mr. Big. Should have brought the brush. Oh, hi. No, no foreheads. Foreheads, no? Okay. Just get the chin. There you go. So the other thing I've been alluding to all night that we haven't started, but now that Ibis works, and we've proved that, we can update Spasm and make Spasm work for Pidgin 3. It's still gonna have the same UI problems that IRCv3 does, but with any luck, probably by 11 o'clock my time, about an hour and a half, we can probably have Spasm working on Pidgin 3. And then we can use it to talk in Twitch chat here. So yeah, that'll be cool. You just here for them treats? Huh? Is that all you're here for? You know, I have to get eardrops tonight too, right? He's like, He's right above him too. That's the funny part. You're from Brazil? Oh, cool, cool. I get a fair amount of viewers from Brazil. They're usually, Brazil's one of my top 5 viewers on Twitch, or countries where viewers come from on Twitch. Hi. Excuse me. I'm not trying to get you to run away, but if you're gonna make it so easy to give you your eardrops, I have to take the opportunity. It'd be silly not to. What? Oh, my Twitch stream, or my playback on Twitch is stuck. It's like, what the hell? Where you going, mister? No, you don't go over there. Come on, come over here. Appreciate it, Vitter. Just a bit, come on. I got work to do. There's people here. Come on. He's way over there. Oh, hi. That's my face. If I do this, you're probably not going to come up here for a while, too. As in, like, days. Come on. I'll give you treats in a second. Now let's do this. We grab these. Yep, come on. Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. And then we dunk you here. 4, 5, 7, 8. Other ear. Other ear. Come on. You know you're not going to get away from me. You know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh, nope, nope, nope. You got to keep them in there. You can't shake it all out. It's in the hokey pokey. You got to get it, let it soak in a little bit. Oh. Here. There you go. He's like, I'm never going on that desk again. And now I don't have to chase him down later. Sweet. Alright. So now comes the real fun, right? So what we're gonna do here, Pidgin build, right? We're gonna Mason Devon, and then we're gonna go ... purple spasm. All right, I have no idea what we did last on this. Okay, so icons embedded and working means we were working on this on Pidgin 3. Yeah, so this is a purple 3 branch. That's fine. All right. Oh. Oh, lip soup 2? Fuck. Okay. This is gonna have to get converted to soup 3. So there's that part. Joy. Joy, joy, joy. Okay. Yep. This is gonna be fun. Why? Oh, because I'm in the dev end. I'm like, what in the hell? Get out of there. Purple spasm. Okay, then Mason dev and minus C. Okay. So now we should be able to build and everybody be happy and fine. Okay, yep. What was different here? Yeah, this can just get reverted. We need... Oh, I don't even have that here. Okay, fine. Subprojects, C subproject slash P Pidgin subprojects ibis dot wrap to here. Okay. So basically we're gonna replace, so we originally wrote all the IRC parser stuff that ended up in ibis. We wrote it here. Then we put into the IRC-v3 protocol plugin with the intent of subclassing the IRC-v3 protocol plugin into the Spasm protocol plugin, which is for Twitch. Twitch is trademarked to Twitch Interactive, so we can't use the name Twitch. But a Spasm is like a Twitch, so there you go. That's the name. But yeah, so anyways, we started the subclass thing, realized it wasn't going to work, and then we decided to take all the IRC crap out and create a new library called Ibis, and then Twitch can just, the Purple Spasm can just use Ibis, and we can go from there. So what we need to do is make that part happen. The fun part is none of this is ready for any of this. Do we have Mason build? Oh yeah, so we don't need that, but then we need ibis equals dependency ibis version greater than equal to 0.1.0. Okie dokie. And then source mason.build, we add in ibis. And then this goes away. And we're gonna have a whole lot of fun. And we are going to have to get soup done right away because I think, yeah, we have soup 3 and Pidgin 3, so you're not going to be able to load both at the same time, which is a problem, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world. Well, what is in Spasm const? Okay, good. Good. Okay, that should all be good still. Spasm rest. This is where all the soap stuff, or all the soup stuff is, so it shouldn't be too bad. So where are we failing to build here? Unknown variable, ibis JSON glib. Yeah, that's fucked up. Mason build. Yep, I'm at the comma. Okay, Spasm protocol. Protocol.c. I guess it's .h. H. Yep, we don't need this. This is a just a purple protocol now. Oh, yep. Purple type protocol, man. I don't know why the indentation is so funky here. I think it's final dynamic type. Purple spastic. What? Oh, that should be there. What? This is like it should be. Oh, okay, wait. No, there's no G defined. Yeah, this doesn't exist. So you have to do final type extended. We've had to do this in a few places in Pidgin. Namely the protocol plugins. Because we want the flags. Apparently... these don't want to complete for me. Okay. I swear there's another way to do this. We didn't make this one final yet, so I can't do that here yet. It had to be Bonjour then? That looks fine. Yeah, okay, so this is only... I knew it was something like this, but I couldn't remember the details. Okay, now it's happy. Yay! We obviously have a lot more to do here, but we compile. Woo! Right, so then we have... oh, we need to include ibis. Include ibis.h. Ibis client star client equals no. Okay. How do we not what? I guess we don't have user splits or wait, yeah, this shouldn't be here on the protocol. That's for sure. That doesn't belong on the protocol. God, it's been so long already. Actually, we don't purple protocol. So purple protocol has a virtual methods for connect async, connect finish, create connection. Oh, can connect. My bad, not connect. Can connect. User splits, there won't be any whiteboard apps, there aren't any account options. There's not going to be any right now for this. I can't think of anything that we would need. but we do need create connection. But let's see, where do we get with this right now? Pidgin 3 minus p pwd slash source. So we should see purple spasm in here. Oh, twitch.tv protocol plugin. Blah. Right? So, yep, purple spasm. Yep. Cool. So if we went to the account manager and we hit add, we've got Twitch. Now this doesn't do fucking anything right now, but that's the start, right? Okay. Yep, that all looks fine so far. Purple protocol class star protocol class equals purple protocol class protocol class create connection equals purple spasm connection new, I guess. I don't know. What do we do for this over here? Okay, yeah, we do it this way. All of a sudden I'm like, wait a second. I think what we do is in the protocol, we implement this and then we return a new instance of it, which is totally fine. Okay. Password gets weird here because you're not going to log in with the username and password. But we'll see what happens. Okay. Purple spasm protocol create connection. I don't know where my mouse is and I'm scrolling the wheel so hard. Static purple connection star. What are parameters? Oh, wow, it's funny. Same width. Okay, whatever. We don't have to do anything with user splits or anything. So yeah, so we basically will validate these two, and then we'll just return that. We obviously have to change the type, but that's fine. Okay, so that'll take care of that part. We don't need Ibis here yet. I don't know why I keep typing space. But I do. What do we use in the REST client? I don't think we did anything with this yet. Oh, we use that to get the user. Okay. This is a lot. Not as far as I thought it was. Apparently I've been tinkering with this for fucking... How many years is that? 8 years? No. 7 years? Jesus Christ. Ugh. I mean, technically speaking, it worked back then. It's just, it's been a while. So we're gonna revert these for a second. Okay. That looks fine. That should all be okay. This might be wrong. We'll see. Spasm account, I think, is effective. Yeah. So this predates a lot of the shit we've done recently. So basically, Spasm account is going to get renamed to Spasm Connection. And then we'll go from there. It's not even in the fucking code. Of course, why would it be? Oh, I probably removed it to make shit compile. Spasm type connection does not exist. Spasm account does not. Spasm connection.c. Why is this including spasm.h? What's in spasm.h? Oh. That should get renamed to like spasm core or something. But okay. We're not going to worry about Ibis yet. We don't care about that. We are... so Spasm account is going to be... it's going to have purple connection, but that's not going to be a pointer. It's going to be parent. Oh, this should be Spasm connection anyways. Alright, what do we already have staged here? We don't have to worry about yet. So now it should just be the protocol stuff. Don't try to subclass purple IRC v3 protocol. That's the first step. Then we're going to finish the rename of account to connection. Why do we have this? This is not supposed to be there. That shouldn't be there either. This can be a full-blown G object. Fine. Spasm type connection. Spasm connection. Get type. G declare final type. Spasm connection. Spasm connection. Purple connection. Yep, we don't need that anymore. 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 I'll explain all this later. We don't need that anymore. Oh, this should definitely not be const anymore. Okay. That we shouldn't need either. It's not a competitor. It's a protocol plugin to talk on Twitch. So the version like so I started writing this a long time ago for Pidgin 2. Apparently it's not. Oh, must have been sim linked into the directory. Yeah. Oh, heavily joking. Okay. Some people get confused, but yeah. It kind of worked with Pidgin 2. I was trying to force it in to give, people's Pidgin 2, or, the ability to run it in Pidgin 2, but turns out that the emote support in Pidgin 2 is real bad, and we can't really, we never would have been able to make Twitch emotes work in Pidgin 2. But we've been through the gauntlet when it comes to what is going on. Like, this plugin has caused a lot of stuff to go haywire. Let's just go with that. Alright, we got a cancelable. We don't need that. That's already on the other side. We do need the soup session. The Ibis client's going to go here too at some point. Spasm account new is going away. So is free. Just give me all of these first. I'm gonna have to review literally all of this. If image URL. What the fuck was type? Like, who the fuck is calling this? Yeah, this shouldn't be exposed. I don't know why this isn't. Oh, it's in helpers too. Okay, it's not exposed. Okay. I'm not worried about update profile yet. We'll deal with that in a second. Yeah, I don't know what that type is supposed to be. Profile type? I don't know. Do we actually need the account for anything else? No. What do we use connection for? Aha. Yep. Slicing and dicing. Access token. Spasm, connection, access token, input callback. Spasm connection equals data. Purple account, or purple connection, get account. Connection. Purple account, set remember password true. Set account access token. Spasm account or connection. Purple account set password on the account access token, and then so where the fuck is this defined? I don't know. On spasm user. Should probably spasm user get, but we'll deal with that later. So we use that to get the user data and then go from there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, access token cancel callback. So now a spasm connection is a purple connection. This is what makes this stuff easier. So we can just do that even. That goes away too. Okay. Purple connection, get account, purple connection. Purple concat username from the account. State equals spasm plugin ID and the username. And we build all that. We ask purple to access it, and then we do a request input, which I think I might have killed. Oh no, I think I left that. I don't remember. If I killed it, that's gonna be a problem, but we'll deal with that if that's the case. These don't exist anymore. Yeah, they're just cancelable. How bad do we compile right now? Actually, let me. Oh, I can't show off the whole nice build here. G declare final type required 5, but only given 3. Oh, yeah, I fucked that up. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Oh. That's all problems you first thought with emotes is. Seems simple to mess up. But I know better than that now. Plus, actually, anything graphics just depend on something. No, it has nothing to do with the graphics. It's purely the number of them is the problem. So Twitch has something obscene like 80,000 different emotes. Probably more, honestly. Last I checked, which was years ago, I think it was around 80,000, but it might have been already hundreds of thousands at that point. But then you have to realize that in Pidgin, which is a multi-protocol client, you could have multiple Twitch accounts, which means you have 80,000 N emotes for Twitch. Obviously, there's lots of overlap for them, but actually, no, it doesn't matter, right? No, for all of Twitch, because everybody can see everybody's emotes, you can't necessarily use everybody's emotes, though, but you can see all 80 whatever thousand of them. The next problem is that every Slack instance allows you something obscene like 3,000 emotes. So like I'm on like 10 Slacks. That's another 30,000 emotes. And then we're on Discord, which allows like a couple hundred per server or something like that. And you can only do 50 servers per Discord account. So that's like another 5,000 emotes or 50,000 emotes, right? And that's where the problem becomes. And it's not even so much a problem of displaying them. The real problem with the emotes is how do you present them to the user in a way that they can find and use the right ones? But more importantly, how do you back all that data so the user interface can do it in a protocol abstracted way and not eat up gobs of memory? That's the emote problem. Actually, like displaying them stuff, that's not so bad. It's the hidden big data problem that's the problem with them. And you're just like, shit. Why did I return a reference for that? That seems wrong. But okay, get access token. Oh, fuck, messed up a bunch of these. Oh yeah, so anyways, like, the big problem is Pidgin 2, the UI and everything for it was built and designed in such a way where custom emotes were rare. So like, it maxes out at 150. And due to the way it works and the way it parses everything, once you get past that, it becomes unbearably slow. So, yeah, we kind of just had to kill it. Just like, yep, this ain't gonna happen. Unknown type, connection, class. Yeah, that's a problem here. Uh-huh. Oh, I have these backwards. That's the problem. Yay, much better. Yeah, why did this... Like, we didn't put purple in front of anything else. I don't know why the hell I put it here. Spasm user.h needs account. Why does it need that? Which handle is emotes on the site? Do they download? No. So they don't download anything until it's absolutely necessary. So they use an IRC-v3 message tag to define the emote. This is how to get like specific ones for channels and stuff. This isn't like for necessarily displaying. I think it's in capabilities here. So a message can have an emote set associated with it too. That's not the one we're looking for right now. What the fuck? Where's the rest of this? Oh, there's not much there. Twitch IRC commands, membership commands, IRC tags. There we go. That's what we want. So what'll happen is not emote set again. So the private message tag has an emote section here, and the emotes get laid out. So a comma delimited list of emotes and the positions in the message. Each emote is in the form emote ID : start position dash end position. The position indices are 0 based. To get the actual emotes, either get channel emotes and get global emotes APIs for information about how to get the information, blah, 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 blah. It's possible for the emotes flag value to be set in an action instead of identifying an emote. For example, 001 action, barfs on the floor, 001. Where's the emote though? It's possible for the emote's flags value to be set to an action instead of identifying it. Oh, right, because barf would be the emote. They didn't give the rest of it, which is weird. But yeah, so we have some examples here too of other shit I've collected over the days. I don't know what emotes v2 is supposed to be, right? But then I don't have the whole thing. Emotes 0 through 9. So, what the fuck? I don't have the message in here. I don't know this guy. Oh, this is parsing. No emotes. Oh, that's just a user notice. Parse, ping, parse, user notice. No emotes. Cheer modes get handled different. So you see that there's no emotes here. There's a separate one for cheer modes, yeah. Or maybe. Oh no, you have to read the cheer emotes separately out of the global cheer emote stuff to know that it's an emote. But it doesn't tag it in here, I believe. That might have changed. This is all really old. Where them emotes? Empty. This one's just broken out. There's no mention of emotes here, but yeah, like it's not too bad. The entire way that the emotes work with like the span of like the start and the end, that's how we're going to be doing formatting in libpurple. Actually, we're going to put it into burb, and everything there. So like Spasm can easily use it, and other shit can use it too. So basically, like text, we'll just have text messages get passed around, and then we'll have the markup spans take care of the rest. You're saying that they lazy load the data and don't download anything else that's absolutely necessary? Can't you? Yeah, we're going to, but that's not the problem. The problem isn't downloading. That's fine. That's not a big deal. The problem is in your Twitch chat right here, type :RW_Grim or RW. And look at all those emotes. And then realize what it had to do that. Right? Now, that's not a big deal on Twitch's website because they only have to check Twitch's emotes. Right? In Pidgin, we need to be able to check that Twitch account's emotes, but we don't want to store that Twitch account's emotes on their own because that's wasteful. And it also means ridiculous amounts of API and other things, right? So we have to abstract it, right? So we need to be able to store all emotes for all protocols in some sort of a standard way. That's where the emote problem is. Again, displaying emotes, easy peasy. Presenting them to the user so the user can select them to send them, that's the hard part. Like doing this stuff out of this is easy. This is fine. This is not a big deal. It's a little bit of work, it's fine. But realizing that like we need to ideally cache some of that data. Preferably, we'll have a disk cache of all of the images too, which isn't necessarily a big thing. That's not a big deal either. But the biggest thing is when a user starts typing, we want to be able to let them fuzzy match it and find the right emote for them. And we might allow them to do custom emotes, and then, or more than that, right? So you've got the Twitch emotes, then you've got the better Twitch TV emotes, then you've got the Franker Face Z's emotes. Then there's another emote thing, I think, right? And that's just for Twitch. Oh, but wait, then there's the Unicode emojis too that all have to be done for Twitch, right? That's where it gets bad. When you want to start presenting those to the user to select them in a way that they can actually find and pick what they want, that becomes the problem. But that said, FFZ, BTTV, and whatever other emote things are a little harder because we're going to have to scan this text for them. Because we're not going to get the nice little message tags like we do for the official Twitch emotes. So, we'll see what happens. Alright, I wanted to look at this though, because does this, or this part I don't, no, we want to look at this. So this takes, normally that, let's look at the soup session, a method, a path, a body, and then a callback. Like, I don't know that we need this, but this is mostly just to pass it on to the other side, right? Yeah. Wait, what? This doesn't even have its own header file here? Lovely. We'll deal with this stuff later. Right now it's just, you know, make this work and we'll get the rest of it figured out in a minute. Spasm rust.h. Yep. means rest.c is going to need it too. How bad is this going to be? Bad. Not horribly, but it's bad. I still missed one in spasm rest.h. Yep, look at that. Connection.c77. Wait, what? Okay, if not, lose connection. '96. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that is wrong. What the fuck? I don't know the flags off the top of my head. Too many R's. Too many R's. Sure. Alright, we want a temporary, because that way it'll try to reconnect. Right, that doesn't exist anymore. 171. Manager equals purple credential manager get default full credential manager right. Is that right? It's been a very long time. Right, password async. Manager account access token. No. No, no. Do 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 do. 184 has a similar problem. This should probably be fatal. We need constants here. Should have that. What the fuck? Where is it? Well, I guess we deleted it. Do 221. Getting closer to building 226. Sure. As in argument 13, a purple request input from incompatible pointer type. Great. Oh, this needs a stupid CPAR bullshit, doesn't it? Oh, fucking hell. Alright, we'll come back to that. Yeah. What do I actually want to do? I want to do like purple CPAR from account or something. And I take ownership of the data, I think. I don't remember how any of this works. I tried to delete all of it, but I couldn't yet. Okay, apparently the notify stuff just takes it, or we're leaking it. I don't know. We'll find out later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What was it? Purple. Request CPAR from account. $223. Oh, no, that's okay. No, purple request input. Right, now I get to figure these out. Handle, title, primary. Handle, title, primary. Secondary, default value. Access token is the default value, whatever the fuck that means, sure. Multi-line masked hint. Multi-line masked hint. Then callbacks. Okay, callback, cancel, or okay, text. Okay, call. Oh shit. Okay, that's how I missed it before. These are two parameters here. Cancel that. Cancel callback. Then the CPARs and then the user data. So these two nulls go away. Yes, that API needs to be rethought. I don't know why we're returning session or references, but we'll deal with that later. $236. Oh, yep. Conflicting types for a get type, yeah. I guess we're gonna call it profile type or something. Get user type? Sure. I don't care. Let's go with that for now. Um, 313. This doesn't happen anymore. So, what do we do here? Alright, yep. I gotta do all the geometry bullshit here, that's fine. That looks like it. Okay, cool. So a purple connection, the whole reason why we have connection objects now, they now have a connect and a disconnect method. Whereas we used to use the slogin method and it was weird and gross and it sucked. So we are going to say do we put the define type up here? No, we did not. Okay, good. It's fine. G define final. Just give me all this because this is mostly clean, and this too. Calling this API is a little silly, but it's okay. This should just be. Jesus Christ. Okay. I put the wrong thing over here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're getting there. We're gonna fix the namespace on the protocol shortly. These are fucked up too. That's okay. Alright, a billion warnings from starting this. Unknown type, purple spasm protocol. Did you mean purple protocol on 232? I fucked this up. Yep, this is just supposed to be spasm connection, because I didn't do any of this. They know the stream last week or whenever it was that I had to use Spotify for music for the stream. Yep. Now I'm getting all the Spotify bullshit. All their spam. Thanks, Spotify. You're great. Don't ever change. Yeah, I know. They want to charge people more money now too. Maybe people will stop paying them, but I doubt it. Spasm connection register. Did I? Nope. Spasm get user. Oh, good. Right. Where did I put that? That was in connection. Is user not in the Mason file? It is not. Spasm rest. It's also not in here. You had a few friends had a conversation about Spotify a few days ago. Our digging turned out that Spotify isn't just charging more money. The agreements you accept for a streaming platform is questionable. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of been the way it's been for a lot of shit for a long time, right? It's just like, shit sucks. These companies are exploiting the fuck out of people, and people are just taking it. Clips later. What you looking for? Oh my god. 148. Yeah, we can buy. What is? Oh, yeah, okay. That's from the soup message thing. We have to go wire up a bunch of properties. It's fine. Like, does this really need to be a G? Well, it has to be a G-object so we can subclass it, right? Do we need to put these in as properties? Nah, not necessarily, but... Well, do we want to do this? I don't know that we... Yeah. We have getters. We don't really need properties per se. Nobody else should be reading from here. Alright. Like, this doesn't get looked at all. So let's see. Does this part work? Not quite. Did this? I didn't get. Hold on. We have to make it a no password or an optional password or something. I don't remember the flag. Connection flag. It's like opt password or something. Count no protocol options. Opt protocol no password. This goes into the protocol, I think. This isn't a virtual method, right? Where the fuck does this go again? It's password optional. So this is we're gonna use no password, but I'm trying to remember where the hell this goes. Okay, that's what I thought. I don't think we have a new. Oh, we do. Okay. There are slash commands native, but that whole thing's going away. So this is opt proto no password. Okay. Oh. Yep. Did not implement the connect method. That would be a problem. Yes, it would. So, yeah, we're gonna take a short break because the ad's about to start anyways. I gotta go pee. I could probably grab water too. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I cheated and grabbed a soda. Yeah. Caffeine. Okay, so so OAuth login, blah blah blah. Where is this guy? Okay, we're just gonna copy this for a moment. Actually, we're just gonna cut it. So we need to do in the geometry implementation in the class init function. We're gonna say purple connection class star connection class equals purple connection class. All right, then we say connection class. I think it's just connect. If we look at the virtual methods, we just got connect. Well, you should do disconnect as well, but we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, then we can return an error. So we have a gboolean. Goes spasm connection connect. All right. Then we have. I'm just gonna drop this here. Grab this. Come up here. Put this here. Purple connection implementation. Spasm connection connect. This is supposed to be static gboolean. Purple connection star connection comma g error. There. I don't know that we're going to return the error, anything from the error here, but we'll see. Get rid of this. All right. So we already have our connection. We already have that too. We don't need that. We can set, I think it's that, purple connection connecting, or it's connection state connecting. Connection. Remember, we haven't even gotten to the point where we can pull this into this yet. This is all just primer to make it work on Pidgin 3 again. Yep, so this equals spasm connection purple credential manager equals null, so that goes away. Try to load the password, manager equals purple crad manager get default. Right, this is where this gets stupid, but it's okay. Ugh. Oh, actually, no, it's not so bad. I'm gonna say purple credential manager read password async manager account. I don't have the account yet. Okay. Cancelable, callback, and then data. So cancelable, we need purple connection, get cancelable. What was the next one? The callback and then the data. This is going to be read pattern. Spasm, connection, read, password, callback, and then the data is going to be the connection. Yeah, and then this stuff will go to the other part. Okay, that's fine. Oh, actually, screw it. Let's just do this. I don't know how I jumped to the end, but okay. Oh, it's still empty. So then we need callbacks. Sure, I guess we'll put it here. Callbacks. Static void. Read password callback. G-object star source. G-async. Results are results. G pointer data. Spasm connection star connection equals data. Car star password equals null. Password equals purple credential. Manager read password finish. Purple. I'll do it this way. Result represent error. Error is not equal to null. Purple connection. G error. Purple connection. Connection, comma. Error. Return. Otherwise, now we have a password potentially. So now, if the password's not equal to null, then we do this stuff. Otherwise, we do that stuff. Do we have that? I thought, did we get rid of that? Oh no, we have that, okay. Alright, do we compile? Nope. 258. 253, 251, 250, 265-ish, 262 now. Oh, this is return true. Okay. Okay, so we got the OAuth page. Send live chat. I know you guys can't see this. Send live stream chat and rooms messages. Perform moderation actions in a channel. Feed your email address verification status. View live stream chat and rooms messages. Authorize. And it redirected me back to where it should have. I don't see the input box anywhere though. Like the request input didn't work. I think that's because we killed that. Fuck. So like I have an OAuth token now that I can't do anything with because I can't input it anywhere. Yeah, okay. Well, I can't do anything. I got nothing to do. Because request input isn't implemented anymore in Pidgin. So the idea was, let's use requests for only stuff where we need to build a custom UI. Where like this whole request input thing is a total hack to this anyways. We need something to actually handle OAuth here. What I can do is I can use Seahorse to put the password in. That should do it. And then we'll figure out that part later. Seahorse. Login. The problem is I don't remember what this is supposed to look like, so let's search for purple. Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, how do we deal with duplicates here? And I think I see how. Okay. New password in the login keyring. The purple password for account RW Grim. Password, I don't know. I have to get it. Sure. ABC123 for the moment. We're gonna hit add. Oh, is this stored secret? And why can't I do the rest of this? Yeah, delete that. It's like I can't add additional details to this for some reason, which is what I need to do to be able to find it from Pidgin. Password or secret. This is why I don't have. Like I can't. This is dumb. I can't add the additional fields in Seahorse. Or at least not from any way I can figure it out. So, yeah. We're kind of dead in the water until... Yeah, because I can't edit those other fields in here, can I? Nope. Oh, fuck. You can't edit anything in here. You can edit the description and the password. And then delete it. Well, shit. I don't have a way to do this. This is dumb. Real dumb. Fuck. I was hoping we could get this going, but the stupid request thing is a big problem.
What were you doing?
It's going Flu Board. Thank you for the 52 months. Greatly appreciate it. We were trying to get Spasm working on Pidgin 3 with Ibis, but there's some issues here. So this used to work by using the request API. So what would happen is when the plugin would start up, it would use Pidgin or Purple Notify URI to open up a Twitch OAuth page, which would then redirect to pidgin.im/OAuth helper or whatever, which would then let you copy the authorization token out of there and then paste it into a Pidgin request input box, which used to exist, but I'm trying to kill the request API because it's not great. And I can't make this work without that. So some cleanups for Pidgins for Purple 3. There we go. That's all we're doing for there for now. No. The Ibis file. So the other thing is, I didn't want to do this today or this week. But so right now, as of yesterday, I'm running Pidgin 3 full-time for IRC. That's just the way it is because it's got to happen. Otherwise, this damn thing's never going to get released. So we have a bunch of pull requests that are open right now that are depending on that, or that'll make that a better experience so that I can then go and figure out what the next problems are. But so the goal was, okay, well, so since Ibis is where it is, let's go ahead and try to get Purple Spasm up to date. But this now has led us to the next problem. Actually, well, technically two problems, kind of. But maybe not. The other problem is the credential manager needs to be more generic so that we can set stuff like IRC server passwords into the password manager. Because we only allow one password per account, or at least that's how it works right now. And that's a problem. But so the other thing is, a while ago I built a proof of concept for Pidgin 2 that was a combination of a plugin and a standalone executable that became, well, it didn't become because I couldn't get it working on Windows right. But the idea was, we don't want to put a web view into Pidgin itself because web views are absolutely littered with security holes, and I just don't want that in process because that's how people are going to then exploit Pidgin, and that's going to be a problem, right? So what I have wanted to do is I wanted to take that idea and that concept and turn it into a UI split object, where the UI can just kind of call whatever it wants. Actually, I mean, I guess it doesn't really have to be that way. The UI could tell us which one to use or something. But the idea would be is we would just have a separate application inside the code base that goes ahead and opens up a web view. So the way this worked was basically you would run the program with a parameter of the URL. And then the plugin, and then libpurple would communicate with that executable via very simple protocol on standard out and standard in, right? So actually, libpurple doesn't really need to give anything to the user, right? Because we're just trying to get responses back from the user. So what would happen is whenever a page would change, we would send the new page and all the headers and the cookies to the other side. I think that's how this worked. I don't remember where the hell that code was. Some of it had to be in tree. OAuth helper. Ooh, auto tools. But the idea would be to formalize this into an API. And then this way I don't have to dick around with the notify API or anything, right? The idea is it would pop up a modal or something in Pidgin. And that would do your OAuth. And then the Pidgin account is able to read all that. This is coming back. And then go from there. And then I can tell it when to tear it down and stuff like that. Yeah, so start would spawn the web view. Basically turned everything off that it could, kept everything that it could, whatever. Opened all this, did all that, and then I added an IO watch for it. But this got tricky for some stupid reason on Windows. I don't remember exactly why. Like, we needed something newer than this. There was some problem with this, with like it flushing or something. Which is why I had to abandon the whole fucking thing. But so we don't necessarily want to call this an OAuth helper either. The idea of this thing is mostly so you can authenticate in different ways. Then maybe that's OAuth, maybe it's not, right? But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, so the whole idea is that we can grab cookies and potentially headers too from everything. And then the protocol can do what they need and go from there. So, I don't necessarily want to do this as a plugin either, but that's okay. Yeah, we used plugin IPC to make this work, which we don't have anymore, but it's fine because we can just make this as the normal API. And if we can't find the executable, we can't find the executable, right? It's fine. Yeah, so we use this webview.h, which I had to make some tweaks to make this work. I don't even, is the URL in this somewhere? I hope so. Otherwise, that was really dumb of us to do this. But basically what it does is on Windows, it uses the Internet Explorer nonsense. On Mac, it uses WebView, or uses WebKit. And on everything else, it uses GTK WebKit. Where? Oh, Jesus Christ. Man, hopefully I put this in a README or something. Pidgin plugins. Oh, there's a CC file too. Okay, that's fine. There's no fucking README, so I don't know where the fuck this came from. I know it's on GitHub somewhere. Oh, that's a CC file. Include the web file, the WebView file. There we go. We found the repo. Tiny cross-platform WebView library for C++, uses WebKit, GTK Coca, and Edge WebView 2 for Windows. Right? Like you just don't have to do anything, and then you can just grab stuff from there. So the fun part of this in authhelper.c. Yeah, so I'd give you a line of the URL, a line of the cookies, and then a blank new line. So I guess we didn't even need headers, but maybe we want headers later, right? It's like, that's the protocol. Super simple. Nothing to it. But yeah, so we set up the web view. Oh, and then we binded a method called OAuth helper page loaded. Which will put that into every page or something. I don't remember exactly how that works. Oh, right. So we dumped this in there. So we bind that function in there, and then we put this JavaScript code into every page. So that'll hit our OAuth, that'll call our OAuth helper page loaded thing, which we'll call this. So then we call get cookies, which then does this. I don't know why I made that a callback, but whatever. Oh, because get cookies, yeah, okay. So you have to call get cookies with the helper and then data you're passing to it. So, yeah. Ugh. We could do this as JSON, but I don't really want to do it as JSON. But maybe that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes. I mean, oh, it's not a beer. This is a soda. And it's in a green can, so it's going to be hard to read. But it's a Kroger Big K Citrus Drop soda. It is not a beer. No Pepsi. But yeah, no, I'm trying to be sober this year. So, no alcohol this year at all. And we're already to June 3rd, and I haven't had a drink, so, ooh. The next 6 months aren't going to be very hard, because guess what? It wasn't hard to do the first 6 months. It's not that I have an alcohol problem or anything, but it's like, I was keeping track last year. I got to like 7 drinks. I was like, why am I even bothering? And then why am I counting, right? But yeah, so this is all this page really was and is, right? There's not a whole lot to it. A year without drinking? What year is this? You've been sober for 6+ years? Nice. Yeah, like I said, I've never really had an alcohol problem, and I'm not trying to, like, you know, shove that in anyone's face or anything, but, like, it just became a thing of, like, why bother? Right? So, yeah. But yeah, for anybody who actually, like, had a drinking problem and is sober, congratulations, proud of you too, right? Like, that just was not the case for me. Not that I'm trying to, like, downplay anything or anything, but yeah. Alright, yeah, so here, like, this is me trying to flush shit and it just wasn't working. So wait, this thing should work. So I should be able to say... Oh. I probably don't have that version of GTK available anyways. But yeah, like, there's nothing to this thing. I don't even know what we'd call this thing. Purple web gadget. I don't know, right? If you're a developer of this project, then please go to the development section. No. All right, no. What? The goal of the project is to create a common HTML5 UI abstraction layer for the most widely used platforms. It supports two-way JavaScript bindings. Call JavaScript from C++ and call C++ from JavaScript. I just forgot. I was going to take some Tums before because I'm getting heartburn. So I had leftover pizza for dinner. Fuck. That's a problem. Oh, wait. I think that's wrong. No, there's... What the fuck? The WebKit 2... This only works with C++ 14 and higher. Are you gonna do GTK 4 support? I thought WebKit had it. GTK 4.0 is not available in 2404. They apparently dropped it. Or they have the wrong name. I don't know. WebCore Ultralight. Which platform is that on, though? Is it possible to grab cookies for login? Maybe. Windows doesn't have robust support for that. For example, your Windows 10 and is not pre-installed. Oh, lovely. Oh, MSHTML has tried it. Okay. That's, yep. I think you know where I might be going with this. God damn it. Why does nothing fucking work as advertised or do what I need it to fucking do? Oh, WebKit GTK 6 is GTK 4 and LibSoup 3. That's not possible. Oh, okay. No, I get what they're saying. Yeah. Fuck. So, like, this library, quote unquote, it's not big anyway, but, oh, fucking hell, man. Right, like the whole thing. It's just this. And it's... Oh, it's 4,500 lines. Like, okay, I guess it's a bit more than I thought it was. But, like, I don't know. I would just make this an actual library, but... I really don't want to dick with this if I don't have to. But, alright, so... Fuck. The auth stuff is going to be coming up soon. Or the auth stuff in general. What a freaking pain, man. What's in the pull requests? An ADA binding link. Okay. CMake build. I'm gonna call back in case the navigation completed with a custom argument for at registration time. When is this broken? What was it about 10 months ago? This is basically what I'm doing with that JavaScript hack. Alright, whatever. We're getting nowhere fast with this. Alright, so we're stuck with Spasm for that. See, it's 20 after 11. We need to get the commands API figured out. So that's the only way I'm going to be able to do more of the IRC stuff. Well, I mean, not the only way, but that's going to be part of it. Oh, we still need to implement tag message too. We don't have that in there yet, but that's not a big deal. Tag message is just private message, but there's no content. It's just tags. You mostly use that for typing notifications. God, this sucks. I was hoping Spasm would be easy. And nope. It's way harder than it needs to be. I suppose I can cheat, honestly. That's one way to go. I can do a purple request fields and do it that way. That is an option. Alright, but I don't think I want to do that tonight. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to get up early tomorrow too. What am I talking about? I need to go to bed. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go raid Mr. Nick1 Data Sci. Mr. Nick1. If you don't want to join the raid, you can go ahead and hit cancel both chat. If you want to follow and know when I'm going to be streaming, you can be sure to follow on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, you can find links to all my social media right over here, which includes links to my Mastodon, where I do post when I'm going to go live, or you can join us on the officially unofficial Pidgin, I almost said Mastodon, Discord, right over there as well. So, thank you everybody for coming by tonight, and until next time, adios.